Where does the name for Ynys Lawd come from? So today I'm in Ynys Lawd, or in English, South Stack. It's on the very far edge of Ynys Cubby, or Holy Island. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. First we have Ynys. Now, Ynys means an island. And then we have Lawd. Now, Lawd is the soft mutation of Llawd, which means heat. But that's not heat like the temperature, that's heat like the state that animals get into when they love each other very much. Now the theory is that actually originally the word cloud meant something more like agitation. So maybe it was a reference to the waters at the bottom of the island being agitated, or maybe it was because they saw that birds went there to mate and make nests. Now the English name for it, South Stack, like many English names for Welsh place names around the coast, actually comes from Old Norse stokkr, which meant a heap or a pile. And it's called the South Stack because North Stack is further north of it. So the name literally means the island of heat or the island of agitation. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.